Hi, let me show you how to pair your Samsung Galaxy A36 with AirPods. Firstly, we need to enable pairing mode on AirPods itself. For that, I'm gonna open the lid and now find this button on the back part of AirPods. So we need to press and hold the button till this indicator will be blinking white like that. And now we can release it, but don't close the case. So go in your phone settings. From here, find Bluetooth settings, which is placed in connections, and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. If not, then just toggle on the switch like that. So now just find the name of your AirPods in this list of available devices, tap it for pairing, and confirm pairing request by tapping pair. And that's it. Now we can see it in Paired Devices tab. We can see status connected for calls and audio, and we can tap Settings icon, go in Device type, and make sure to select Headphones. If you would like to disconnect them or unpair, then just tap here. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.